Assalamu alaikum, my dear teacher and my fellow students. My name is Samara. I am from grade 5. Today, I am going to show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation easily. So, we will click on blank presentation and we'll enter the presentation, and this is the first thing we get. So, over here we have the home, we have new slide option, layout, reset section, and shapes and some other stuff. And then we have insert, draw, design, transition, animation, slideshow. I'll show you guys all. So first we're gonna add a title. Now, for example, like my title is dinosaurs. So I wanna change the font. You can change it from up here. Over here there's a font section. You can change it from here. But first you have to select your text. Then you can change the font. Like I want this one. And now you see BIUS. Now B is for bold, I for italic, and U is for underlining, and S is for shade. Like not shade, like shadow. And then we have ABC strike through. And then you can also change your text color by coming on this A with an underline of red color and change to any color you like. I'm doing blue. And then you can also add like highlight, like I want yellow color in highlights. Now you can change the font size from here also. I'm making it 88. And then you have to, like, now for the subtitle, like I'm gonna add something about the dinosaur. Now, like if I write, now for example, my subtitle is a big lizards, and then I'm not gonna make it that big. Then you can again also change it by selecting your text and then right clicking it, and then I choose that. This one I want to change the color into orange with underline. So you can, it's up to you what color you want. And so if I want to add a new slide, I will click here and click on like title only. Now I can add my title here. For example, now over here it is an index. I'll type here index. I'm gonna make the text a bit big. Change the font. It will look better if you change the font for every single slide. I'm gonna move this in the middle. Now there's no more text box here. We'll go to insert, click on text box, and then I'm gonna click here and we've got a text box. So now my index is, I've got some index. It is like this. Now if you will just copy paste, it will go anywhere. Now like I'm gonna make this big, not that big. Now I'm changing each of their color. It can look nicer. It's up to you if you wanna change it or no. And then you can underline it again. And now like I want this color, the same font and the same underline and everything. You can do this, like come to format painter, click on your text and it has been formatted. And like now I want it to be on this, now like diet of dinosaur. Now I click on dinosaurs. Now it have been the same one as the big lizards. Now let's see the design. Now in design we've got like the background and stuff. I like the green one, like this one. Like I'm gonna pick this one now. Now I want pictures, dinosaur pictures. If you have some pictures saved, you can click on this device. That means it will go to your folder and you can pick a picture. If you don't have, you can click on online pictures, which can lead you to here. And then you can search anything which is on your topic, like mine is dinosaurs. I've got some dinosaurs pictures here. Now like I want this dinosaur. I'll add this. But if I want more, I'll click on more. Now it's up to you how much you need. Now downloading the pictures in this one slide. Now I've got the pictures one by one. Like they both came together. Now you can resize it and even like add it as like in your shape. And then if you want to like add a transition between these two slides, you can add any. Like now I want to add like honeycomb. It is gonna come as a honeycomb. This one. Now I want to add animation for the text. We'll go to animation right in front of transition. Now I want to add wheel. Now when I play it, it will go as a wheel. And now for this one, I also want a transition. I want to push. And now like see now if I go to slideshow from beginning, it will show it. It's the honeycomb like this and then how the text comes and then the next page. I hope this helped you and I hope you can make your homework nicely. Thank you.